It's such a flowy, feminine, beautiful look. This one my jazz right here. What is going on, ladies? It's your girl Carrie M. If you're new to the channel and you haven't done so, please make sure you click on that pretty red subscribe button. If you don't want to miss any of my beauty, fashion, or lifestyle videos, make sure you turn on that notification bell because I does it all over here. Do you hear what I'm telling you? Now, big appreciation to Outre for sending me over the 2 units that we're going to be talking about in today's video. I have a unit from the Perfect Hairline series and one from the Melted Hairline series. Both of those collections are my absolute top 2 from Outre. I love the heck out of both of those, okay? Perfect and Melted, those are my number ones. I just love how natural the hairlines be coming out, girl. I love the lace on these units, but we're going to get into all of that, okay? And then I'll leave my little final thoughts towards the end of the video. So let's go ahead and slide on through. This unit is Begonia. It's from the Outre Melted Hairline Collection. I have it in the color DRFF Amber Sunset. We have a 2x5 deluxe wide right side part. HD transparent lace, 3 combs, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. Now, the Melted Hairline Collection is supposed to provide a frontal effect hairline without you actually having a frontal because, like I said, we only have a right side part in this unit, okay? But it is super cute. We'll get into that. And then we also have Freya 22 inches. Now, this one is from the Perfect Hairline Collection. I have it in the color 3DRFF Cajun Spice. Now this one is a 13x6 parting area, so this one is an actual frontal, and it has HD transparent lace, 3 combs, adjustable straps, and an elastic band as well, you guys. So we have 2 units, similar specs. One is a frontal and one is not. So the hairline on this one actually looks pretty decent to me. I think it looks really nice. It is a straight across hairline. We don't have like a defined hairline shape or anything like that, but all in all, it doesn't look too bad. I will also say that it is definitely big head friendly. I have a 22.5 circumference size head and it fit me nicely. So far out of the pack, she is looking very cute. So I am super excited to style this one up. And look at that color, y'all. Come on. They really did that. So moving on to Freya. Now Freya's hairline actually has a defined shape to it. It's not straight across. So they did a little something extra, a little something. I also noticed that the lace is a little bit more blended to my skin with this one. So it may be thinner or the color may be a little darker. Not sure which one it is, but I actually like the lace on me much better. The size on this one is a little bit questionable. I am, again, like I said, a 22.5 circumference size head, and she was like literally just fitting me. So yeah, I do like that it is a frontal, so you can kind of part the unit wherever you want. So this one should be a little bit fun to style as well. So I can't wait to get into that, but we're gonna get into that, right? So I'm gonna jump off with styling Begonia. As far as the styling goes, it was pretty simple for both units. So first, I just want to say off camera, I cut the lace off of both units and then I tinted the lace with some foundation powder. So the same process for prepping. Now for this unit, it was super easy because we already have a parting space. So I just went in with my powder and added it to the part, set it, used a little bit of heat to flatten it up or whatever. And I added some hairspray to tame some minimal flyaways that I did have and to just kind of shape the hair to where I wanted to set. Now, when it came to Freya, it took a little bit more to style only because we have the 13x6 area. So you kind of have to part out your own space or area or parts or whatever you want to call it. But aside from that, everything else was pretty much the same. I hit it up with a little bit of heat, a little bit of powder, and I also went in with some hairspray to kind of tame a little bit of flyaways and to shape the hair how I want it. Now, what I would say is Freya is fancy, okay? Like I said, we have a 13x6, so you could do a little bit more with her as far as parting her on the left, the right, the middle, or you can even do like a updo style, and I've done that with multiple units from this collection before. So that is one thing that I do love from the Perfect Hairline Collection. Now Freya is a bit tangly as she is on the silkier side of things, but it wasn't horrible, and it was mainly when I was messing in it. And look at that, y'all, melted, and the lace looks good. So Begonia looks so good on my head without being melted down. I think the lace looks absolutely gorgeous, and then the parting space was actually pretty nice too. I did not have to pluck it All I did was add the powder, and I think it looks really, really nice. Now, I did not experience any tangling with this one, and it's because she is a yaki texture, and the hair is really, really soft. I love how it feels. And again, she is a spacious one. I think the color on this unit is so beautiful. I just love, love, love the different tones of colors in this unit. They did an amazing job with the color. The curls frames my face perfectly. The hair is so bouncy. It looks full, but it isn't heavy. The style is very sophisticated and sexy, and she was like super easy to style. So she is one for the win. She is a beginner friendly unit. She is something great for the plop and goes. She's just it, okay? And I love when I can have a nice frontal hairline effect without actually having a frontal, without having to melt it down, but still getting the looks and getting the vibes of having a frontal. So I'm here for it. I am definitely here for Begonia. Now, Freya's lace was absolutely gorgeous, y'all. She is so well blended without melting her down. I think the lace on Freya was actually the best, okay? I think the hairline looks amazing, and because that lace looks so good, it just makes everything melt so beautifully. Now, I did mention earlier that the size was a little bit questionable. As I said, she's a perfect fit for me. The density on her is much fuller than Begonia. Well, not much fuller. She's a little bit fuller than Begonia. You can see the difference, and you can feel it with the weight as well. Now, the color and ombre is absolutely beautiful. I love the effortless waves. They just fall where they want to fall, and she was super easy as well. Don't let finding your part and having to make your own part trip you up and make you feel like she's difficult, because she is so easy. Both units, the shedding was to a minimum. I only had it after I cut the lace. You know how that goes. But all in all, both units are really gorgeous, y'all. Really, really gorgeous. I love them both. Begonia, though, is winning for me, and I think it's the color, but I'm looking at the video now, and I'm like, wait a minute, Freya's hitting too. Y'all, these units are so freaking beautiful, y'all. So freaking beautiful. And I definitely was not disappointed. Like I said, Melted and Perfect is my top 2 collections from them. But you know, sometimes things don't be exactly how you want it to be, but it's all good. These units are absolutely gorgeous. This one is my favorite, Begonia. I just love how the layers flow. I love the hairline on it. I love the lace, how it's just melted. And mostly, I love the curls and the color. This is my type of color. I love these type of blends where we have some black hair in there, a little bit of like blonde and brown and little ombres and effects and stuff. That's my kind of stuff. So this one is definitely my favorite. But overall, I just felt like the look of it is just the easy look. Like, you don't have to play in it too much. You don't have to worry about where the curls are going to flow, where it's going to lay. It's just super easy and super pretty and so feminine. It's such a flowy, feminine, beautiful look. And I absolutely love the texture on this unit. It feels really, really nice, y'all. Really nice. But that basically sums up today's video. Y'all let me know in the comment section which one of these 2 units were your favorites, and which color did you like the most. Did you like the color on Freya more or Begonia? Because I don't know. Both colors were really nice, but this one my jazz right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Of course, the direct links for the units will be in the description box, and all of the products and tools I use to style the unit will also be linked in the description box as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, and I will see you ladies in another video. Until then, I will see you later.